In 1937, a man sat down and wrote the most important book about wealth ever created. He interviewed 500 of the most richest and powerful people on the planet. Andrew Carnegie.
I think our business is done here.
Henry Ford.
I hope you didn't invest in more horses.
Thomas Edison.
There's got to be an easier way.
He spent 20 years doing this. And after all that, after 20 years and 500 interviews, he said that there's one secret to all of the fortunes ever built in the history of the world, especially the ones who are in the top tier. And that is the mastermind group.
Was always the mastermind. This is the key to all fortunes and all empires.
Surround yourself with people who are way smarter than you. He was right, but he was 90 years too early, because the mastermind group that Hill described, it exists now. It's not a person, it's not a metaphor. It's definitely not something that's science fiction. It's something so powerful that the people who understand it in the next 24 months are going to build more generational wealth that has been ever built in the history of the world. It's coming. It's almost here. I can't believe it. It's here. It's here. It's already here. OpenClaw is AGI.
OpenClaw is the most powerful AI tool I've ever used.
The ultimate personal AI assistant that is open source.
Se llama OpenClaw. Bueno, hasta hace nada tal vez lo hayas oído como Clawdbot.
Ces dernières semaines, mon feed a explosé. Un seul mot partout, OpenClaw.
Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Well, there's skeptics out there. There's people who say, no, it's not. Okay, that's fine. But these are the same people who said that Bitcoin was a scam at $5.
Sounds like a scam.
Bitcoin sounds like something that you collect in a video game. Total scam.
These are the same people who said that Facebook and Instagram and X were a fad and that nobody is going to want to hang out on social media. These were the same people who shorted Tesla when Elon was burning through cash. These people are expensive to listen to. The most expensive opinion that you will ever have about yourself is the one that talks you out of generational opportunity. I'm not here for the skeptics. I'm here for the dreamers. I'm here for the people who just believe that AI is going to be something. It's their shot to just finally make it, just break free from the job that they hate, the 9 to 5. Listen, I understand. I hate my boss. I hated my boss with the passion. I hated my job. I hated my life. I was homeless for 4 years, living out of my car with my dog, Honey.
May I ask you a question? Hey, come here. Do you love me?
You're in the same boat. If you're dreaming for a better day, you know that the rose garden is just over the horizon and that AI is your shot. Because those who are willing to learn these skills now will be rewarded exponentially in the future. Show up, be habitual, be consistent. Just learn about AI tools every day, guys. The mastermind group, in my opinion, is one of the most important business tools that have ever been discovered in the history of the world. And its ROI, well, its ROI is exponential. Let me tell you a story. A young man named Napoleon Hill gets a meeting with the richest man in the world, Andrew Carnegie. Carnegie looks at the young man from across the table and says something that will change the course of history.
My success is simple. I surrounded myself with people who knew more than I did.
People who were way smarter than me in any way, shape, and form possible. Something that I was weak in, that I couldn't make up for myself. Together, we became something that none of us could have been alone. Hill spent the next 20 years interviewing the greatest minds in history. And in 1937, he published the book Think and Grow Rich, a book that has sold over 100 million copies and created more millionaires than any single document in history. And the mastermind principle was at the heart of it. Now, here is where it gets interesting, because Napoleon Hill never could have imagined what was coming next. In 2026, you have access to a mastermind that makes Carnegie's group look like toddlers. Have an open heart, have an open mind when I introduce this section to you, because Like a lot of people are scared what's going to happen in the AI world. A lot of people are scared that they're going to lose their jobs. And that's fine. I understand. I was scared as well. But I think the quicker that we come to the conclusion that AI is probably going to take our job, most of us are going to lose our job. I know it sucks. It sucks saying that. It hurts because so many of my friends and family members are going to lose their job because they're not prepared.
This moment is for careers what a certain meteor was for the dinosaurs. Entire Fortune 500 companies are already running divisions made of just AI agents, replacing thousands of employees with a handful of algorithms. Jobs are dying off everywhere. Manufacturing has lost 78,000 more jobs this year alone.
They're not prepared for what's next when it comes to how the world is going to function. The shift in technology and intelligence is about to burst open like the crazy exponential universal bubble that it is. And if you're not prepared, you're going to get left behind. Meet your new mastermind, ChatGPT, your marketing manager, your copywriter, your strategist, the one who helps you sell. There's Grok, your real-time intelligence officer, your trend spotter, the one plugged directly into the algorithm of the world of what's happening right now. Claude, your deep thinker, your researcher, your long-form content writer, the one who you go to when you need wisdom, not just speed. And by the way, in my opinion, Claude Opus 4.6 is probably the most intelligent model with the best personality in the world. People might think different. For now, this is it. Chinese models are catching up extremely fast, but we'll see what's going to happen. And there's Gemini, your data analyst, your systems thinker, and the one who connects everything together. And sitting above all of them is OpenClaw, the one that doesn't just answer questions, it takes actions. The one that operates your computer, your email, your business, your life on your behalf, even while you're sleeping. This is your mastermind. This is what Napoleon Hill was describing. OpenClaw just recently joined OpenAI as well. This is huge news. Some of the biggest news in the last 3-4 years in the AI world. When OpenClaw gets comfortable with OpenAI, big changes are going to happen and the world is going to change fast. Jobs are going to be lost. Entire industries are going to be disrupted at the speed of a UAP folding space and time in on itself, doing Mach 1 million. It's fast. Okay, slow down for a second. Here's what makes this the most important moment in wealth creation history. For all of human history, the mastermind principle had one catch. You had to know people. You had to have an outside group, allies, alliances, whatever. You had to know the right people. Carnegie had access because he was Carnegie. Ford had access because he was Ford, and so on and so forth. The average person working a job, raising a family, just trying their best to get by, did not have access to these resources. Well, guess what? Now they do. Right now, this year, a single mother in Ohio has just as much access to the smartest minds in the world as a CEO in Silicon Valley. A kid with a laptop in Rio has just as much access to intelligence as somebody on Wall Street or a hedge fund manager does. This has never been true for the entirety of civilization. Not once and not ever. This, what's happening right now, is the great equalizer. And the window is wide open. Think about this. In 2010, Bitcoin was worth $5. Now, it's worth $95,000 per Bitcoin. The people who saw it, really, truly saw it, changed their lives forever. And the people who called it a scam are still talking about what could have been. Remember the guy who traded 10,000 Bitcoin for 2 medium-sized pepperoni pizzas? I don't. Because he faded into the obscurity of regret. In 2004, Facebook launched from a dorm room. The people who saw the vision built entire empires, but the people who didn't, where are they? Nobody knows. Nobody cares. We're all sitting at the same crossroads. The people who master the AI mastermind principle are the ones who are the new Bitcoin buyers at $5. Here is exactly how to use your AI mastermind group to start building wealth today. The Morning Consultant. Tell it your goals, tell it where you're stuck, and tell it your challenges. Don't ask it questions like it's a search engine. Talk to it like it's a business partner, because that is what it is. It's the decision framework. Before any, and I mean any, significant business decision. Take that decision to all 4 of them. Ask it the very same question, independently of each other, of course. Compare the answers, look for where they agree. Also, look at where they disagree. And that gap, that space between the answers is where the real insight lives. The content machine. Use ChatGPT for script writing and marketing. Use Claude for research and deep thinking. And Claude it's got a great personality as well. Use Grok for trends and real-time intelligence. And use Gemini to put it all together. This is not a workflow. It's a business operating machine. And it's one of the most important investments that you can make with the highest ROI that you will ever make in your business. Spend the damn $100 a month. It's $20, $30 for each one. Spend the $100 a month. I guarantee if you use it with a passion and motivation, you will make your money back 100 times, 1,000, 1,000,000 times. You never know. In my opinion, this is the greatest business tool in the history of business tools that's ever existed. Go to your mastermind group for any important decision, even a life decision. I mean, I'm not saying take their advice at face value. What I am saying is you can ask all 4 of these PhD level thinkers for life advice and analyze the answers and compare them and see what they like and see what they don't like and see where they agree and see where they disagree. I know some of you who are watching this are getting up every day at 6 a.m., driving to work and working a job that you don't like. You might hate it. You might feel numb inside, and it's okay. This is your opportunity. The window is open, but nobody knows for how long. Look, I'm not asking you to dive headfirst into this. I'm asking you to change your no to a maybe. Maybe I will start researching AI a half an hour a day. Maybe I will stop watching Netflix. Dedicate that time, an hour every 2 days, to learning new AI tools, to learning the mastermind, ChatGPT and Grok and Claude and Gemini, learning how to use them together. If you're somebody who doesn't believe in AI, it's fine. It's okay. Nobody's asking you to invest in AI. Nobody's telling you to put your hard-earned 401k into NVIDIA stock. But when somebody who puts their hard-earned 401k in NVIDIA stock and makes $30 million, don't get mad at them. You fucked up. Napoleon Hill said it best. He said, the starting point of all achievement is desire. Not talent, not connections, and definitely not luck, but desire. The desire to not only see the opportunity, but to act on it. The desire to keep going when the skeptics tell you that it's a scam. Your mastermind is assembled. It's already in your pocket right now or sitting in front of you on your desk. The question is, are you going to learn to use them effectively? Napoleon Hill spent 20 years building his mastermind, and you have yours right now as you watch this video. The people who act on it now might be the ones who build unbelievable, unfathomable wealth. Be a dreamer, be a believer, and don't listen to anybody who tells you that this isn't real. Get ready. Grab your surfboard. Keep looking back at the horizon because the wave is coming. It's already here. The water has been receding from the beach for the past 4 years. The tidal wave is approaching. Learn to use the mastermind. I think it's the smartest thing that one can do for their business and for their life.